Hey, my chickadees, welcome back. It is another What's on Your Desk Cleanup Wednesday Challenge Day. So, I did it again. I tried. Well, first thing I did was I took the journal, made me another little art journal, put a little antique button on it, made this closure for it, and then you see the brown papers. And it's the Big Mama. I want it to be able to lay flat. So from the last cleanup, I took the signatures. Look, y'all can't see. Let me move water. I took the signatures from the paper that I had made and put that in. And then, you know, I had some other papers and signatures laying on my desk that I hadn't used. So I put those in here too. And I had some, look, there's some antique paper, y'all. I'm doing it. I even cut them. Look, I'm getting closer. Look at that. Might have been some papers I didn't like, but still, they in there. Okay. So I just put this in here to start, to have me an art journal to start. And you know, she a big mama. Look at her. She a big mama. It's got a hidden spine on it so I can decorate the outside. That's not decorated. It's just one of those collage pieces that we had. So I took one of those collage pieces that we had and made me a little art journal for that. Cleaned up some of that. Got that off the desk. Then I had some scrap pieces. And I'm just going to drop these down and speed this up. But what I did was I took some of my gel plate pieces that I had laying on my desk when I was doing some gel plate painting playing. And I had some stickers that came in and some buttons and some butterfly, just some other little odds and ends stuff that was on my desk. So I grabbed those off and made little clusters. So I'm just going to drop them and I'll speed the video up during this part. Okay, here we go. Okay, that was the little cluster bases that I made with the fabric and stuff. Okay, these little tags came in something, a little grab bag or something. So I just added some little scraps that I had to it to cover up some of the stuff that was on it. One. Okay, it's a tag made with my gel plate and stuff. And that is a tag or journaling card or pocket, whatever. This is an envelope. This is the side tuck. This is another one that can be a pocket or a side tuck. This is an envelope pocket. This is an envelope, or it can be the base of a hidden tag, journaling card, or cut it down, whatever. This is an envelope. This is an envelope that I just left up, but it can be cut. And then this is just a big tag envelope that you can cut up. Face that I can cut up. And then this is a tag, journaling card, pocket cut up. Same thing here. And then these were just some little jelly plate stuff that I was playing. There's painted for a leaf. Jelly paint. And it was something else I did. I did a couple more things, but I didn't put them in my stack to show y'all, and I don't know what I did with them. I know I made one little book, and it was cute too. It was pink with some leaf designs and lace designs, I mean. But I took it to work to use for notes from one of the ladies is showing me some stuff. So I know I did make it too off my desk. But I can't remember what else. It was something. It was one other thing too, but I can't remember. That was it. That was a lot, I think. I think I did really good. I used 2 of those collage boards I showed you from last Wednesday. I used 2 of those to make the art journal. So I have the really big, huge, 6-foot long one left. That is the base collage. It's the one that is a good base collage that you can put layers on top of and use for different stuff. So I kept it to use for my base, for my tags and other stuff. Like a, like a big old huge master board. Okay, that's it. Y'all have a good one. Love you. Bye.